Travel insurance in the United States is a product designed to cover unforeseen losses incurred while traveling, either internationally or domestically. As travel has become more expensive and non-refundable rates have become more popular to save costs, travel insurance has become an essential part of trip planning for many. It offers travelers peace of mind, knowing that they have a safety net should something go wrong before or during their trip. The importance of travel insurance. The primary purpose of travel insurance is to protect travelers against the loss of non-refundable travel costs, such as airfare, hotel and tour expenses, and to offer services in the event of an emergency while away from home. In the U.S., where healthcare costs are among the highest in the world, having travel insurance with medical coverage is particularly important for international visitors. Types of travel insurance coverage. Travel insurance policies in the USA typically include several types of coverage, which can be purchased in a package or individually, depending on the insurer. Trip cancellation insurance reimburses travelers for prepaid, non-refundable travel expenses if they need to cancel their trip before they depart due to a covered reason. Covered reasons might include serious illness, injury, or death of the traveler, a travel companion, or an immediate family member, severe weather, or unforeseen events like jury duty or a job loss. Trip interruption insurance is similar to cancellation insurance, but covers travelers if they need to cut their trip short after departure for a covered reason. This can include reimbursement for the unused portion of the trip as well as additional expenses for last-minute travel home. Medical insurance covers the cost of medical and dental emergencies that occur during the trip. Policies may also provide a death benefit. It's important to note that many U.S. health insurance plans, including Medicare, offer limited or no coverage outside the U.S., making this coverage particularly important for international travelers. Emergency medical evacuation insurance covers the cost of transporting a seriously ill or injured person to a hospital with appropriate medical facilities or back home. Without this coverage, medical evacuation costs can exceed $100,000, depending on the location and medical condition. Baggage and personal items loss reimburses travelers for lost, stolen, or damaged luggage and personal items. This typically includes coverage for clothing, toiletries, and other essentials if baggage is delayed. Accidental death and dismemberment insurance provides a cash payment if the traveler dies or loses a body part or function, e.g., eyesight, hearing, a limb, in an accident during the trip. How to purchase travel insurance. Travel insurance can be purchased directly from travel insurance companies, through travel agencies, or increasingly, as an add-on option when booking flights or vacation packages online. It's important to purchase insurance as soon as possible after making the initial trip deposit to ensure the widest range of coverage, including for pre-existing conditions or cancel for any reason options. Understanding the fine print. Before purchasing travel insurance, it is crucial to read the policy details carefully. This includes understanding the coverage limits, deductibles, exclusions, and the process for filing a claim. For example, some policies do not cover pre-existing medical conditions unless the policy is purchased within a short time after the initial trip deposit. Others may exclude coverage for high-risk activities such as scuba diving or bungee jumping. Filing a claim. If something goes wrong before or during a trip, the traveler must contact the insurance company as soon as possible to file a claim. The insurer will provide instructions on what documentation is needed, which may include copies of medical records, police reports, travel itineraries, and receipts. It's important to keep all documentation related to the trip and the incident that led to the claim. The role of travel insurance in the COVID-19 era. The COVID-19 pandemic has brought significant attention to travel insurance. Many travelers have looked to their policies for coverage of cancellations and medical expenses related to the pandemic. However, because COVID-19 is considered a known event, many policies have specific exclusions for pandemics. Some insurers have adapted by offering cancel for any reason upgrades or including COVID-19 as a covered reason for cancellation or medical coverage. Conclusion. Travel insurance is a complex product with many variables, but it provides essential protection for modern travelers. Whether facing a medical emergency, a trip cancellation, or the loss of baggage, travel insurance can save travelers from significant financial loss. As with any insurance product, the key is to understand the policy, know what is covered, and what is not, and to communicate promptly with the insurer when a covered event occurs. With the right travel insurance in place, travelers can embark on their journeys knowing they have a safety net that allows them to focus on the purpose of their trip, whether it's business, pleasure, or adventure. Thanks for watching.